What's the meaning of confident? Confident. Confident.
Confident. Confident. Confident means feeling or showing belief in oneself, self-assured. It is the state of being certain or trustful of one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. When someone is confident, they have a positive attitude towards themselves and their abilities, which can lead to higher levels of motivation, resilience, and success in life. Confidence can be gained through various ways, such as setting achievable goals, practicing self-care, developing skills, seeking support, and taking risks. Overall, confidence is an essential trait for personal and professional growth and fulfillment.